Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your landing page with WordPress. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, you're going to need your hosting plan for your WordPress website, and you're going to need a domain as well. But the domain part is optional. You don't need a domain, but you are definitely going to need a hosting plan if you are going to try to make a proper website. Then you're going to need a hosting plan as well. But if you're just using it for fun, then you need is a hosting plan. Now the hosting plan that I use is from Namecheap. Provides you with the cheapest domains and the cheapest hosting services as well. So over here, once you sign up, you just simply come over to here on hosting and click on WordPress hosting, and then it's going to take you over to here where you can find the easy WP or easy WordPress hosting. And over here, if you sign up, you're gonna get a free month as well. So it's gonna be different pricings for each of them, but you're gonna get a free month for hosting if you try Namecheap, right? Now, once you have done that, it's gonna take you over to WP where you can create a website, right? So it's pretty simple. The sign up process is very simple. You don't need me to show you, step by step. You don't need me to, hold your hand. You can figure that out yourselves. As you can see over here, try for free. You can go ahead and try a free month and get a 30-day free trial. No commitment as well. If they want to ask you for your card or anything like that, once you've expired your 30-day free trial, then they're going to ask you for the payment method. But once you acquire it, it's going to take you over here onto Easy WP where you just simply set up a website, right? So let me just show you how to do that. So over here, I created two websites, right? So to create a new website, just simply click on new website right here, and you are good to go. So over here, just enter in the website name, all right? And see what you would like to do with your website, right? This is a completely optional. You don't have to do that, but it's what it is. So over here, you can go with landing page, or you can go with the product landing page. You can add in the name of the product, and then at the end you can say like landing page. For example, like if you have an ebook or something like that, then you can be like ebook landing page. You get the idea, right? So once you've added the name, just choose what you want to do with the website and just simply click on continue, and then you can go ahead and pick a plan for you, and then you are good to go. But if, as I said before, you're going to get a free month, first month is going to be free. So, and once you've acquired yourself a free month, you are good to go. That's pretty much it. That's all your things you needed to know about. Now let me just show you once you have acquired yourself a hosting and a domain. So over here, let me go over to this website right here and go into WP admin manage. Over here, this is how it looks like, right? So this is going to be your dashboard right here. And first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here onto plugin sections, and we're going to add a bunch of new plugins, right? So if I click on a plugin section, I've already added the plugins that we're going to be needing, but for you, it's going to be a little bit different, right? So the plugins that we're going to be needing are called Elementor and the starter templates as well over here. So just simply click on add new template, or just add new plugin button over here. And over here, just simply search for Astra, right? Just simply search for Astra or starter templates, and you are good to go. So over here, let me just get rid of this real quick. And over here, this is the plugin that we are looking for. So starter templates, you can search for starter templates or Astra, whatever you feel like, and then just simply click on install button and then activate them. Same thing over here, we're going to search for Elementor, and this is the template that we are looking for. This is the plugin. It's again, just simply click on install now and click on activate, and once you've activated the templates, you are good to go. Then we can move on. So then over here on the left side, you will see a new option arriving called appearance, and underneath appearance you will see starter templates. Just simply click on starter templates and you are good to go. So once you do that, they're basically going to take you over here onto the template section where you can find different templates for each of your requirements. So if you're trying to make a real estate website, you can find a template for real estate. Okay, sorry about that. But overall, this is how it's going to look like, the template store. So over here, you can find different templates. And since we are creating, a landing page, that's what we're going to be finding. So over here, just simply search for landing page over here. So now what you can actually do is you can go back, right? So I guess starter templates doesn't have a template for landing pages, which is weird. All right, so we're back over here. Now what I want you to do is I want you to come down over to appearances and click on themes, and maybe over here we can find the template that we are looking. So over here we have a bunch of themes. So now what we need to do is we need to add a new theme, right? So click on add new theme, and over here we get all the themes that we want. So over here we search for a landing page, and over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different landing pages available. So you can choose whichever one you want, right? So there's a landing page for, authors. There's a landing page for reviewers, for apps, for pagency, for construction landing pages, for one page landing page builder for different types of landing pages available. So you can choose whichever one you want, right? So let's just assume that this is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and preview this one and see how it looks like. So over here, these are going to be themes that you can install for your website. So currently we have, I believe, different ones. So let me just click on details and preview. Maybe we can find a bunch of details for that. Okay, so I don't really like this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to start our own one. So we're going to go back to Astra and we're going to find another landing page that we think is going to be good. All right, so over here, I think that, this would look nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create one over here. So it's pretty simple, nothing too serious. So over here, I'm on, blogs, and this is like a blog website. So what we need to do is we'll go over here and we'll click on, we're going to go underneath businesses. We're going to click on landing pages. All right. So I think there were landing pages, but I missed that. All right. So over here, yeah, these are the landing pages. Of course, I'm sorry about that. Sorry for wasting your time. And over here, we can see over here, I believe this one looks good. So what we'll do is we'll just simply click on the template that we want. What we'll do is let it load up a little bit, and over here this is how it looks like, right? So I think this looks pretty good. Over here you can upload your own logo if you feel like it, and then we can just click on continue, and then we can add different colors to the website to make it even more unique. So I think blue looks nice, and then we can even change the fonts of the website. And once we've done that, we just simply click on continue, and then what we'll do is we'll click on skip and start importing, because it does require some premium templates, but we're going to be added later. So we'll just simply click on install and then wait for it to be installed. So I'm going to pause this video right now and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so as you can see, congratulations, the website has been installed, and now we'll just simply click on view the website and start editing it out. So over here, as I said before, this is how it looks like. And since we downloaded Elementor, we can use that to create our website. So over here, what we'll do is we'll just simply click on edit with Elementor to edit our website. All right, so once it's loaded up, this is how it looks like, right? So you have your main website here in the middle, and then you have your editing tools over here on the left side, right? And then we have our navigation tool over here. We'll just put that over there. Now over here, since this is a landing page, we don't need a whole lot of information. So this is actually pretty good, because now we get our, initial product over here at the top. We tell them about a little bit about our website and then our staff, and then pretty much that's it, right? Nothing too crazy, nothing too, over the top. And then you can go ahead and start editing it out. So you can go ahead and change this text over here to whatever you want. So just simply click over here and you can go ahead and change the text over here. You can add the title, and then down below you can add your own text. So over here, let's just change this to something else. So over here we'll just write like, so we can write something like start today with the leading e-learning industry, something like that. And then they can view all the courses over here, and then they can have like their own products over here, right? So if you wanted to change the background, just simply click over here onto the empty side over here, and you can go ahead and click on style, and then you can go ahead and change the background. Same thing over here. So if I were to edit this section, I just simply click on these 3 buttons over here, 6 buttons in the middle, and just simply click on style, and I can change the entire image. And we can add like a color over here at the top as well. So currently it's blue. We can add more colors over here. As you can see, it all works pretty fine. Nothing too complicated about that. And once you've made a change to the website, remember to always update the website, because you don't know, you never know, you might have a power outage, or you internet disconnects, or your computer shuts down, anything like that. With this, your progress will be saved and you won't have to start over again. So always make sure to update the website. Now once you've done that, once you've edited out your website, everything else, just exit it out over here by clicking on the hamburger icon over here at the top left, and just simply clicking on exit to dashboard, and your website will be saved. Whenever you click on the website, that's how it's going to look like. So over here, if I exit it out to dashboard and I just go back to the dashboard of my website, then if I just simply visit the website over here, that's how it's going to look like. So as you can see over here, this is how it looks like. So pretty simple, nothing too crazy about that. So pretty much that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.